bum, bum, bum. This is gonna feel real good, alright? Most dope. Everybody please put a thumb in the air. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some crazy kids coming knock up on your door, so let 'em in, let 'em in, let 'em in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some crazy kids coming knock up on your door, so let 'em in, let 'em in, let 'em in. I feel like $1,000,000, but my money don't really feel like I do. And from the ground I built my own buzz. People was amazed I was still in high school.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Southside. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Violet. We have an action-packed show for you today, featuring a look at hands-on learning in the shop, a musical way to spend your summer, and a spotlight on a familiar face in our hallways.
Whether it's an oil change or a full engine diagnostic, our students are getting under the hood to learn some essential life skills. Joaquin takes us into the garage to see our vehicle repair students in action.
Most students at Lakeville South drive to school, but many of them don't know much when it comes to doing repairs or maintenance on their own vehicles. Ishan and Gavin started a business where they help students do just that.
So basically, my boy Gavin, right? We like to work on this bike and stuff, and we just combined our first initials together, GE Fix. So, yeah.
Ishan and Gavin started their business in 2024 under the name GE Fix. They began with family and friends' cars and have plans to expand into other markets.
I've worked on mine, Ishan's, my stepdad's, my friends, families, anyone's that I can find that I can help.
With many students who are getting their first cars and don't know much about what it takes to maintain them, Lakeville South is a prime target for acquiring clients. Gavin and Ishan were able to use this to their advantage while helping out their community at the same time.
We be doing like brakes and stuff, brake pads, brake rotors, transmission fluid, differential fluid. We do some electrical stuff too, so yeah.
With so many students driving to school every day, having affordable and reliable help close to home makes a big difference. GE Fix is more than just a business. It's students helping students.
Me and Ishan both have passions for cars and working on stuff with our hands, so I thought it'd be a good idea to start something up.
This is Joaquin Mesa reporting for the Southside.
Thanks, Joaquin. It's great to see students gaining such practical skills right here on campus. I know who I'm calling next time my check engine light turns on.
From the roar of engines to the roar of the crowd, the local music scene is hitting a high note. Laura caught up with some students on recent shows they've been to, and to find out why the concert experience is more popular than ever.
24% of fans ages 12 to 24 go to 3 or more concerts per year. Many young teens spend their money on concert tickets and go with their friends.
My favorite singer right now is Lana Del Rey. I just love all her music is so good and it's really unique.
Every year, thousands of young teenagers go to concerts with their friends and family. It's a popular thing to do, and so many people spend their money on it. Most concert tickets now are $100 or more.
It's so expensive because it's a concert and they all have all these fees that they pay probably but it's just like a piece of memory that you have forever that just reminds you of the concert and kind of just brings back the vibes of how it was.
When people go to concerts, they almost always get merch, whether it's a t-shirt, hoodie, or other things. It's a popular thing to buy when going because of the memories that it holds. Most hoodies and t-shirts can get up to $80 for one item.
My favorite concert was Playboi Carti in the Weeknd because I went with my friend Laura and I just love Playboi Carti in the Weeknd. It was really good.
Most students have a favorite concert that they have been to. Some students even go to the same artist multiple times if they love it so much.
I like the X and the Armory. I like the Armory because it's so small, so it feels more personal, and the X is just really good for because you can see from every seat in the stadium, I feel like.
I really want to go to Tate McRae. She's my top artist on my Apple Music. I listen to her all the time, and I think going to one of her concerts would be so fun.
Throughout the years, many students have gone to multiple concerts with friends and family. They are a fun way to spend time with people and make memories that will last a lifetime. This is Laura reporting for the Southside.
Thanks, Laura. There really is nothing like the energy of live music to bring people together.
Finally, we're taking a moment to get to know someone who works hard every day to keep our school community safe and supported. Allie spent more time with our school resource officer to give us a closer look at the man behind the badge.
According to buffalo.edu, school resource officers often act as mentors, remembered by students for their guidance and presence during critical personal moments.
Officer Drew is a well-known person around Lakeville South who leaves a great impact not only on the school environment but the students as well.
He's a really great resource here. He's just really helpful in advice and de-escalating things and overall just making your day great.
Being a school resource officer can be a lot of busy days, but Officer Drew makes the best out of his busy hours.
Typical day, lots of meetings, handing out snacks, Starbucks gift cards, getting vapes, and mingling with the kids in the hallway.
Students often go to him for advice, help, and just someone to talk to.
It really puts an emphasis that he is there to help, not to hurt. You never have to feel like you're going to be in trouble when you're speaking with Officer Drew because he makes sure you know that he's just there to help and he just wants the best for everybody, and getting people in trouble is his last priority.
Drew's made a great impact. He's very sociable. He's very easy to talk to. The kids feel comfortable coming to him. The interaction he has with all his students is great.
Rewarding part, seeing the students grow up, mature, graduate high school, go off to college.
If you ever find yourself needing a bit of advice, a quick question, or someone to talk to, Officer Drew is an incredible resource here at Lakeville South. This is Allie reporting for the Southside.
Thanks, Allie. We truly appreciate everything Officer Drew does for the Cougars every single day.
And that's all the time we have for you this week.
This is Sophie.
And this is Violet signing out for the Southside.
Thanks for watching. Don't catch my fingers. I'm nailless right now. Whether it's oh my God.
You got this, Sophie.
Seriously.
Laura caught up with some students on recent shows. Guys, don't slime me, I'm sorry.
Why is it on me?
It's my turn.
There we go. I'm ready.
Ossifer.
Don't say that because someone's going to mess me up.
Sorry, guys. I'm sorry.
For watching. Engine. I can say words.
Engine. From
Nope. That's not what I'm supposed to say. I'm so sorry.
Later.
We could have ran that. I apologize. It's my fault. Kick me off. I'm done.
That was so fun, you guys.